You really need to stop putting all these petroleum products on your skin, your lips, your hair. It's really not nice. It's killing you softly. You've got to stop today. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Joanna. If it's your first time here, thank you so much for stopping by, and I thank you so much to my subscribers as well. Today I'm going to show you 2 simple ways you can do your own lip balm at home without the cost. We do know that store products are full of chemicals and we don't want that. So today I will show you how to do this gorgeous lip balm with mint leaves, fresh mint leaves. And also we do have a beetroot lip balm with just beetroot powder. Well, few ingredients with beetroot powder. Let's dive into the tutorial. The main ingredients is mint leaves. So grab your fresh mint leaves and start the preparation. Mint leaves has several benefits to the lips. These include brightening the lips, revitalizing the lips, protecting lips from infection and sores, locks in moisture for long-lasting hydration, and many, many more. I prefer to use organic mints, but in any case, you've still got to wash them to get rid of any dirt or pesticide. To remove the pesticide, I washed it with bicarbonate of soda, but you can always wash it with either bicarbonate of soda, salt, or vinegar. Once clean, I pat them dry using tissue paper, and if you've got time, you can always allow it to sit to air dry. It works just fine. Next, we've got to extract all those precious nutrients. What I did to get the nutrients is to add a small amount of olive oil, blend the leaves into a liquid mixture, and strain. But we'll come on to that. Adjust the olive oil based on how much product you are making to avoid waste. After blending, strain the liquid mixture and set it aside. Now comes the fun parts. I use beeswax, which is a valuable ingredient in cosmetics due to its ability to act as a natural humectant, emollient, and protective barrier, enhancing skin hydration, softness, and protection against environmental stresses. Beeswax has a natural thickening property and it makes formulation stable without synthetic preservatives. It can also act as an emulsifier, helping to blend oils and water-based ingredients. It helps really to bind both liquid and oils together without the fuss. So if you want that stress-free, please use beeswax. Now melt the beeswax in hot water or using the double boiler method. Please avoid using the microwave to keep all the natural goodness intact. Melting the beeswax can be a bit I wouldn't say stressful, but it takes longer. And using the microwave can speed the process quite quickly, but you don't want to do that. The point is to get the most out of the natural product you're making. So don't be tempted to use the microwave at this point. So once the beeswax is melted, you mix in the mint solution, stir well. Then add a teaspoon of castor oil and vitamin E oil. Both oils are fantastic for boosting moisture and protecting the lips. You really have to stir well and work quite quickly because the beeswax does not take long time to kind of start to solidify. It solidifies quite quickly. Once you've stirred in the oils, you finally add some few drops of peppermint essential oil for extra cool kick. I believe I used about 5 to 6 drops of peppermint oil, and then you stir it in well, then pour it into a container and let it sit for a few minutes. And voila, a clean chemical-free mint balm that is not only for the lips but also perfect for soothing irritated skin or treating minor problems. How cool is this balm? It's so easy to do. It doesn't take long. You just need to practice. I mean, it's DIY. You're doing it yourself. If you've identified any oils that works well for you, please use them. You are not obliged to use any of the oils I've used. If you've got any oils at home, use them. It's DIY again. So you are experimenting, you're doing it to suit your needs, not for anybody else. So you can tweak it as much as you want. So long as you preserve the nutrients in the mint leaves, you will be good to go. What do you think about this mint leaves balm? I personally love it. I mean, it's giving me that luxury look and it actually feels luxury on the lips. Give it a try and let me know what you think. Now we go to our beetroot lip balm. For a pop of natural color and a boost of antioxidant benefits, beetroot is our secret weapon. The main ingredients are, of course, our beetroot powder, shea butter, which is a fantastic moisturizer, making it perfect for combating dry, chapped lips. We also have coconut oil, which is rich in lauric acid. It deeply moisturizes, forming a protective barrier to keep lips soft and supple. And yes, beeswax again. Beeswax is definitely a staple in lip balm as it helps to lock in moisture and protect the lips from chapping and dryness. You start by combining beeswax and all the oils in a bowl and gently melt them together. Once they are all melted together, add a small amount of beetroot powder to create that gorgeous scent. Remember, mix well to avoid clumpy surprises. Beetroot isn't just about the color, it's loaded with antioxidants and vitamins that can help brighten your lips and protect against environmental damage. Then stir in some vitamin E oil and few drops of peppermint oil for the extra cooling sensation. Vitamin E oil also extends the shelf life of the product, so it's very crucial to add vitamin E oil to this. While the mixture is still soft, you might notice it begins to solidify. That's because I use a bit more beeswax for structure. Less is more when it comes to beeswax, so take note for your next batch. I learned some few lessons along the way. I felt some tiny particles on my lips when I applied the beetroot powder. Is there anything I will do differently next time? Oh yes. I would recommend melting the oils with the beetroot powder first, then strain the mixture before adding the beeswax, just as I did with a mint leaf balm for that perfect smooth texture. And there you have it, a vibrant beetroot lip balm that's fun and cool as its benefits. What do you think about these two lip balms? I believe you enjoyed these recipes and found it helpful, so I would like to know what your thoughts are in the comment section below. Smash the like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell so you will never miss the next DIY beauty hack. Before you go, I recommend this amazing video for you to watch, and feel free to watch the several videos on my channel you probably haven't seen. Enjoy watching. Thanks so much for your support. Love you loads. Thank you.